are checking out of our hotel in Dar es Salaam, and we are headed to the next country of Zambia.
It's going to be 51 on the list.
I'm actually a little bummed because I wanted to take the Tazara Railway. That is like a 3-day railway that takes you all the way into Zambia, but there's some questions if it's running or crossing the border right now. So I'm very bummed so we don't get to do this. But that means that we are flying and we're gonna get hanging in lounges today.
Lounges, travel day is going to be nice. We spent the last 2 hours trying to figure out if our flight even existed because we were told on multiple occasions that our flight did not exist. And they bounced us back and forth. It was just frustrating time. So far, Erica's not a big fan of this airport since they didn't even have it in existence, but I think we're hoping that it's updating and we're going to be able to check in, weirdly enough, 2 hours before our flight boards or maybe takes off. I don't know.
Not impressed.
She was very frustrated, very hangry, and I can understand where she's coming from. This is the not so exciting part of traveling for a year.
We finally got to check in. First off, high point, our bags were overweight per the airline restrictions, but we just like, I told him our entire life was in our bags, so he's like, okay. He's like, okay, you can take them. Then, because we have the priority pass, we got to go through special immigration security that like 5 people were there for. And now we're going to lunch. It's very big, very spacious. They have a kids area, an outdoor area, a bar area, a food area. I was getting some food and she actually asked what I would like to drink, so she's gonna bring me some drink and I'm starving. Yes, on deck. This is my kind of wine glass. I've never seen a wine glass this large. Well, we only have about an hour, unfortunately. I'm gonna enjoy the full hour.
So I got a Serengeti beer. I'm sure it's gonna be just light beer. I'm not a fan of light beers, but that's beside the point. This place is amazing. It's one of the top lounges that I've been to, the CIP lounge here in Dar es Salaam. The food is probably better than a lot of places, like those like buffet places we went to in Uganda and stuff like that. It's probably a step above that. And they have a whole cake, a whole mother flipping cake, where you just cut out a slice and get, which I will be partaking.
I figured.
But I don't know. I wish we had more time here. But cheers. Made it to Zambia. That's going to be 51 on our country list. And it was not the easiest time getting here, but now we're here. We're going to figure out what we want to do. I have no idea.
We haven't even looked up anything in Lusaka yet.
Research time. After Erica did the research, we have figured out what we're going to do. But before we do that, we did want to show off this place since it is absolutely massive. Let's check it out.
So this place is actually a 3-bedroom that you can normally rent the entire thing with all the bedrooms, but in low season, they'll rent out just 1 bedroom, lock the other bedrooms, and you get the whole thing to yourself, which is what happened to us. So we have this very large living room, complete with TV, with Netflix and other streaming services. And then we walk into this ginormous kitchen. Well, for us, it's ginormous. We got a dining room, a giant full-size fridge, and this is probably one of the most stocked kitchens that we have had in 4 months of traveling so far. It literally has like everything that we actually need. Plus there's a washer outside. And then our bedroom. We have a ton of storage, a huge bed. It's just, I feel like it's just so much bigger than what we're used to. And then we have a shower with a bathtub. The bathroom itself is pretty small, so I don't know that we need to do that much in here. But it's just huge, and it's all for us for 5 nights. So, pretty cool. But with that, we are going to head uptown, I guess, and we're gonna go to a market. It's not in the location it said it would be, but there's construction going on there, so we think we found it. I have no idea. No clue.
We'll see if they're as pushy here as they were in Tanzania.
They're too big for
No,
our
the
suit.
small one is here. The small one is there. The same.
Oh, it doesn't matter because it won't fit.
This is difficult because I would buy so much.
I know. I want a lot of things. We made our rounds, decided what we wanted, so we're gonna go hunt them down again.
Oh yeah, he was wearing green. That was him.
Huh?
Yeah, he was wearing green. That was him.
Do you want to go get your postcard?
Let's go get
first?
the postcard first. Yes. Not the boat one. Just the postcard. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Now our Christmas ornament.
Oh, you like that this much?
Yeah, let's put it up there. That's fine. That's fine. I won't even barter much.
Just one?
Just
the
one.
one.
Success. It's technically a keychain holder. That's what most of our Christmas ornaments are. They don't really sell Christmas ornaments most places. But we make it into one. Now we're gonna eat lunch.
The guy was giving the camera a thumbs up.
Who did?
One of those. There's a smudge on it. Hold on. I hate the smudges. Okay, well we're at a restaurant called Mint. And we're waiting for our food, but while we were here, we actually ran across a couple of individuals who are currently traveling and have been traveling for an extended period of time the world. Their names are Jordan and Elizabeth. They have their Instagram. You can follow them here, but they were absolutely awesome to talk to. They gave us so much advice about some of the places we've been going to. With that aside, we're going to go ahead and enjoy some food. Hopefully it's going to look pretty good.
You want me to say something? I haven't eaten it yet. I really haven't done many salads since we've been here in Africa, but I love salads. And this one looked too good to turn down. Lusaka is a pretty clean, modern city, so I decided it was worth it. I did actually taste the squash already, and it's delicious. What about yours, Humba?
It's good, but I don't think it's what I ordered. I ordered a chicken burger, and this doesn't look like chicken. I don't know. It's good anyways. Cheers.
Food was good. I really enjoyed my salad here. Aaron said his was just okay. But we are going to head to another little market village type of area now. We're at the Kabwata Cultural Village, which is another market, but it has little huts from the villages with the crafts and everything, so we're just gonna explore it. Honestly, we don't need anything else, but I like looking.
Erika?
Yes.
That's my niece.
Yes?
Erika, yeah.
Oh, Aaron.
Chunga.
Nice to meet you,
Yeah, your
Chunga.
name?
Aaron.
Erin.
Aaron.
Erika.
Yes. Aaron.
Oh, Erin.
That's Erica.
Oh, that's
Erika,
Erika.
Erin.
Erin.
Aaron.
Also,
Yeah.
yeah. That's got a meaning. The meaning that this white part you see stand for you white people. The black part you see stand for we blacks. So this would be a symbol of unity. That white people and black people, we are one. symbolize unity. So these are sword savers. We use them, yes. Then
We're going to the workshop.
this is the outside part. But the inside part, as you can see, yeah, come to this.
It's like a grater.
It's like a zester, yeah. They showed us the workshop, which is actually really cool.
That was super cool. He gave me a keychain. He insisted that I take it for free because his niece's name is also Erica. And so he's going to tell her he met Erica from the US. But everyone is really great here. I mean, everyone still wants you to buy things as always, but everyone's very nice.
Super nice.
We're going to finish making the rounds.
Yeah.
All right, and
Here we call it Insolo.
Tenzoro?
Insolo.
Insoro.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, all right. I'm Aaron, by the way. Aaron.
Chipo.
All right, Chipo, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, we're going to learn how to play
This
this.
this is my bank. To put something when you get from me, you're going to put here, me, I'm going to put here.
Okay.
This
okay.
front line is attacking line. Attack.
Attack line.
Attack.
Okay.
And defense.
The defense. Okay.
Yeah, the law to pray is to go in clockwise.
Clockwise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me, I'll go in this way.
Okay. And
You.
now I'll go this way.
Yeah, exactly. Let me start so that you see.
Okay, go for it.
I pick two here. I drop one.
Oh.
Here one. Where I end, again I pick all of them. I'm continuing going clockwise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dropping one in each box. You see? I end here where this is empty.
Okay.
So I attack this one to your side.
Okay.
Remember that I said this is attack and defense.
I lost, but I think I did all right.
What is the name
Try.
of the game?
What was the name of the game?
Solo.
Solo?
Solo.
Solo. It was solo. It was really fun.
Solo game.
All right, they got us. We ended up having to buy something from them because he showed us the workshop and it was super nice. So their nice technique worked on us.
No, it was really cool getting to see it still, though. A little more than I would have liked to pay for something in the market, but it was a good experience. So
It was good.
we paid for the experience.
Learned a brand new game. It was fun, and some people actually recognized us from the market yesterday, which was interesting. So
I mean, there's only so many super tall white guys carrying around a camera.
that's true. But now we're gonna go eat. So no food today. It was actually permanently closed. So we're actually gonna skip lunch today, go to the National Museum, and then from there tomorrow we're gonna go to the Elephant Sanctuary. So we'll see you there. Just kidding. We actually stopped at the other branch of the Mint restaurant to get another chicken sandwich because I'm obsessed with them. But now we really will see you at the Elephant Sanctuary tomorrow.
We made it. Now let's go find the elephants. We had no idea it was this far. We had to pay separately to get into the national park. So our Uber driver is very nice and is going to wait for an hour and a half for us and then take us back. I think he put as much effort into this as we did. Okay, what time is Phoebe?
At 12 exactly.
12. Okay, thank you.
Warthog tusks. Very cool.
I was waiting for you to do that. I knew you were going to.
So this is a little bit different. This is an elephant nursery. So we don't go down with the elephants, but we're gonna see them fed, and they're all like around 1 to 2 years old. So I'm excited.
You'd think we had enough elephants by now. Never. We need to keep the volume under 16 decibels because we want to limit the human interaction with the elephants so they can make it easier when they release them. So, shh.
We're well under 60.
1 minute. 1 minute.
And down.
I don't think I've ever heard an elephant fart, but now I can safely say I have.
They're so cute.
That was awesome. Well worth it.
It's a little on the pricier end of things in Lusaka by the time you get the taxi, come to the national park, pay for the fees, blah, blah, blah. But it's probably one of the favorite things that we've done here in Lusaka as well.
And you can't have too many elephants either, can you?
You can never have too many elephants, especially baby elephants. But we're going to head to a cafe, kind of hang out a little bit this afternoon, and then tomorrow we're headed to a new city.